Hey y'all. So a few days ago I got back from CES, and on Twitter I did say I was going to be filming a vlog and then do the Q&A in the vlog. Problem is, I rarely vlog, and so vlogging is extremely uncomfortable for me. So vlogging where there's like 400,000 people around is hard, so I decided to just not stress out too much, just soak it in, enjoy my first CES, and then just film my Q&A here where it's not so uncomfortable. That's what we're gonna do right now. Let's get into it. All right, so your first question comes from Twitter, from Sean Miller. He asks, how do you juggle high school and all your passions? It's hard. It's definitely hard because, I mean, with YouTube, with trying to do like my own filmmaking, writing scripts and things like that, trying to do Instagram, all these things, it's very hard. But it comes down to three things. First of all, I'm homeschooled, so my time is more flexible in that if I finish school faster, if I just, head down, work the day as hard as I can, then, the sooner I finish, the sooner I'm done. Whereas in like public school, you don't just finish early if you get your work done and then get out. Like, you have to be there the whole time. So that's definitely a big component of it. The other component is that I've really streamlined my workflows so that, I know exactly what I need to do for every different project. So for Instagram, I know, I need to quickly shoot these photos. Or if it's a photo shoot, then I'll do a photo shoot, but I know how to quickly edit them. I've made my own presets, so that's faster. And then I can export them, airdrop them to my phone, and then every day I can just post a new photo, and that's pretty simple. And for like YouTube, I have kind of an outline of how I need to make a YouTube video, from outlining it, to filming it, to editing it, to writing down what B-roll I need to shoot, to shooting the B-roll, to editing the B-roll, all this stuff. I have this list that I can run through very quickly, and it's not a lot of like thinking of trying to figure out, what to do next type of thing. So a lot of it is just kind of streamlining things. And then finally, I just don't do a lot of other things. Like, I don't play video games. I don't watch too much TV. I just try to work hard and get stuff done. I just enjoy it a lot. So I think all those things combined is kind of how I'm able to juggle it. And I'm also almost done high school too, which is quite exciting. Pedro asks over on Twitter, what and or who motivates you to do better in your craft? Between videography and photography, which one would you want to truly master? Oh man, that's a good question. So that first part of who inspires me or what inspires me, I think it's a bunch of things. I really, really enjoy listening to music. And so listening to music and like thinking about films I need to shoot, or not films, but like videos I need to shoot. Although sometimes films, like I am working on a short film right now. But, thinking about video, thinking about photo, and just like as I'm listening to music, just like gets me into that like creative flow, which is really, really fun. I also really enjoy like watching really good movies like that are well shot, and then I'm just like, man, that makes me excited to, shoot my own stuff. So then as far as people who inspire me, definitely one person would be Jonathan Morrison. I absolutely love, a lot about him, but one thing is that he's making the videos that he wants to make versus the videos he feels like he has to make. So, when you're just starting out, there are some videos that you're like not too amped about, but you know that they're going to do on the algorithm or whatever, so you do them to grow. But he's now at a point, with his career and with his whole company where he can just make the videos he wants to make. So all those like iPad Pro videos, things that just excite him, he makes videos on, and that's just really, really cool. Okay, so then to that second question, between videography and photography, which one would I want to truly master? That is hard, because I just love both so much. But if I had to choose, I think it would be cinematography, just because you can do so much more, you can convey so much more emotion. So yeah, cinematography, but it's really hard to choose. Like, photography is just so much fun too. So yeah, there's my answer. Okay, so my man Devin asks, what fuels you to keep going in this tech space and in film? Well, it's kind of funny because I'm actually not continuing in this tech space specifically. I'm kind of transitioning my videos over to filmmaking and photography than just like smartphone tech and like general tech, because I just enjoy that more. But something that motivates me is just like, I've really enjoyed the process. I've really enjoyed seeing myself grow over the past year and a half, I think. Year-ish, going from 0 subscribers to now almost or actually above 3,000 subscribers, which has been really cool. I just got monetized on the channel, which is like exciting. Not that I'm gonna be making any money here, but you know, that's cool. So just, yeah, I just enjoy kind of that whole process. And then as far as like film though, I just love telling compelling stories and creating beautiful imagery. So like those two things together, yeah, that's kind of why I keep doing it. Okay, so MTG Productions asks, do you ever plan on being a content creator / YouTuber full time? Maybe, I'm not sure. I've thought about it obviously, and there's a side of it that's definitely appealing, but there's another side of it that's like, holy crap, because that's like, if you quit your job type of thing, then you're like, woo, out. Like, it feels like you're, you know, those like spaceship things, and you like get disconnected from the ship and you're just like floating. And maybe you have your jet propulsion backpack because that's like the money that you're making, but maybe you don't, so then you just drift off and die. That was dark. Yeah, I don't know. It's just kind of like, definitely not there right now, so I haven't really thought of it too seriously, but it's definitely something I've thought of. That said, you know, I don't work any other job aside from YouTube. I'm not making any money here on this channel, but you know, I do Android Police. I also do my do like client work and stuff. So I am doing YouTube as my primary source of income, which is definitely cool, but definitely not like full time, as in like not doing anything but YouTube or whatever. So yeah, there's my answer. Very roundabout, but hopefully that made sense. Okay, so Sayak Das, that was probably definitely butchered, sorry. He asks, what should be the first audio gear for YouTubers with less subscribers? Well, it definitely depends. I mean, like, for me, I bought this Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, but before that, I just had a very basic lapel mic that I got off of Amazon, or my dad got off of Amazon, and I just borrowed it. So also you could try just borrowing things from friends or family. But definitely like check out a lapel mic, because getting clean audio is so important for video. Like, it is, like, if you hear a video that's just like super echoey and just bad audio, you're way more likely to just stop watching the video than if it was just like bad video but okay audio. So definitely focus on audio, but you don't have to spend too much. Like, you can get a cheap lapel mic on Amazon and sound absolutely fantastic. Okay, so over on Instagram, Danny Picot asks, how do you learn to filmmaking? How do you learn how to do filmmaking? Well, how I learned, lots and 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 lots of YouTube videos. Basically, a big part of it, not the entire part of it, but a big part of it was Peter McKinnon, just watching his videos, just learning as much as I could, and then searching on YouTube for even more videos, watching those. FilmRite is a great resource. You know, obviously Peter McKinnon, Maddie Hapoya, Chris Howe, Jesse Driftwood. Those people are just absolutely fantastic resources for learning photography, cinematography. Yeah, so I'd recommend just watching lots of videos and then also doing it. That's another big part of it, because you can watch all you want, but if you don't know actually how to operate a camera, that knowledge is pretty much meaningless. So I definitely suggest grabbing a camera, whether it be your phone or like a full-on DSLR, and just start filming, making videos. Even if they suck, just keep going, keep going, keep going. Eventually, you'll improve and just get better and better. So yeah, that's what I recommend. All right, well, that's it for this Q&A. It's a very sleepy Q&A because I am very tired. It's been like an hour and a half of just talking to the camera. My throat is sore, my face is tired, the light is bright, all that stuff. But hopefully you got your questions answered. If you didn't, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. I will respond to them and try to answer as best as I can. Yeah, stay tuned to the channel. We've got lots and lots of fun stuff coming down. I've got a big shift with regards to what even my channel is, which I mentioned earlier in the video. But yeah, if you like this video, thumbs up button. If you enjoy cinematic filmmaking and photography videos, notice I changed that outro. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Talk to y'all soon.